Hi guys, it's Nimuras once again with a very interesting video. Yes, we're back with cooking with Nemo again. And today I'm just going to show you a simple recipe it's not a recipe. Yeah, a simple way of cooking food for the kids. And what we are going to cook today, we are just going to cook hot dogs. Yes, easiest way of cooking hot dogs. Yes, here I have my pan and my hot dogs. Chili. Yes, I'm going to wash them, so don't say I'm touching. I'm going to wash and peel them. I have to peel them. You see, I have to peel. I have to peel. Yeah, I have to peel these ones. Peel them. You see, they are frozen, and because they are frozen, you don't have to wait for it to thaw or to unfreeze. All you're going to do, let me just wait, just relax. So you have to peel them first. I don't think there are some which okay, yeah. So I'm going to wash them. Then after washing, because remember they are frozen, so I have to unfreeze it. How am I going to unfreeze it? I'm first going to put water, then boil it a little, then unfreeze it. It's just little water, very little. Very little water. Yes, very little water, so that it will unfreeze. Yes, it's going to unfreeze. Let me show you. Oh my god, I can't show you. Oh. See, very little water, very little. Even you're not going to wait for it to evaporate. After it has unfrozen, after unfrozening it, we're just going to apply the water and continue with our cooking. Yes, this one is simple recipes that you can cook, that anybody can cook, that everybody can cook it, and it's very easy and very simple. Something you can cook within 5 minutes. Yes, don't say I'm lazy. I'm not lazy. It's only that the kids here, like, there's one kid that loves these sausages. Yeah, I'll show you how she like it done. Okay, so stay tuned as we wait. Let me bring the camera near. Yeah, let's wait for it to yeah, you have to turn it, checking if it's still hard. You have to check if it's still hard. You see, it's still hard, so you have to give it time to get soft from inside, so that you won't eat uncooked hot dogs. Yes, I have to keep doing it. yes, I have to keep doing it, because this is how she like it. You know, I have to cook it for her. Yeah, it's boring now. I don't know if you can see, you see? Yeah, it's a bit softer. And as I told you, you don't have to wait for the water to evaporate. Yeah, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain the water, as in I'm going to spill the water in the tap, there in the sink, so that we can now be left with the sausages. I mean, hot dogs. Yeah. Then there's still some water, so I have to wait for it to dry, like to the water to finish, like to evaporate, to dry, dry. Yes. After drying, we put some oil. Just going to put little oil. Yes, little oil like that. Little, very little. Hope that one is, if you can be able to put little than me, well and good. So the next step, this is the, I don't know if we can call them sweet hot dogs or just wait. So I'm going to cut it into pieces. Cut into pieces like that. Cut into pieces. Yes. Then it's almost, by the way. So for your kids to eat, we always add ketchup. Yeah, you took ketchup. Then you mix it, you cook it. Yeah, you lower the heat. And after ketchup, you mix. And imagine, they are ready to be eaten now. You can serve your kids with rice, with bread. Yes. Okay, our kid here loves it with toast. So she loves eating it with toast and hot dogs. It's good for breakfast. Yes. So that's how it look like. Oh my god, it's so yummy. See? Oh my god. Yeah, that's how it look like. You can wait, you can let it be on the fire for some time, so that so that the ketchup will get into the hot dogs, like mingle with the hot dogs. Yes. And yeah, that's oh my god, that's just a simple way of cooking hot dogs. Yes, they're ready to serve now. Welcome for our breakfast. Yeah, this is good for kids' breakfast. So you can give them with rice. You can eat them with rice. You can eat them with bread. Yeah, that's all for today. and thank you for tuning in to Nemo's Cooking. I don't know if I think I should start an episode of cooking, although I'm not good in cooking, maybe. But in the meantime, enjoy the hot dogs. Bye bye. So guys, that's our breakfast. Yes, that's our breakfast, and that's how you can make your kids be able to eat hot dogs. They are very sweet because of the ketchup. They're so nice, and they're, yeah, you can give them with rice, you can give them with a bread. So thank you so much for watching. Welcome to our breakfast. Bye bye.